In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hyperlinks in Squarespace. Whether you're embedding a link to another web page, a file, or simply directing traffic to different areas of your website. Knowing how to create hyperlinks is a powerful skill that can help enhance the functionality and connectivity of your site. So let's dive right in and explore this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the website editor in Squarespace. This is your main control panel where you'll be building and designing your website. Once you're there, the next step is to add a block. Look for the Add Block option and click on it. This will allow you to select from a variety of block types, depending on what you're aiming to implement on your page. For hyperlinking, click on the Text option. This will enable you to insert a text block into your page layout. In this block, you'll type in the text that you want to turn into a hyperlink. It's essential to make this text descriptive enough so that your readers will have a clear idea of where the link will take them. Once your text is inputted, highlight the specific words or phrase that you wish to hyperlink. Highlighting is simple. All you need to do is click and drag your cursor over the relevant text. With your text selected, look for the Link button and give it a click. This is where the magic happens. Now, you'll have the option to either type in a URL or choose a page directly from your existing website. If you're linking to an external page, copy the full URL and paste it into the provided field. Alternatively, if you want to create an internal link to one of your site's pages, simply navigate through your website options and select it. Once the link is set, you'll confirm by clicking Add Block again if you're creating additional links. If you need to add more text blocks for additional hyperlinks, repeat this process. Click on Text, type in your new text, highlight, and hyperlink, just as you did before. Additionally, if you're linking directly to a file, there's an extra step involved. After highlighting your text and clicking on the link, select the arrow down button and choose File. Here, you'll see an option to upload a file. Select Upload and choose the file you want to link to from your device. This is particularly useful for download links or resource distributions. Finally, ensure everything looks good and functions correctly by clicking Save. This will cement your changes and ensure your hyperlinks are active. Congratulations! You've successfully created hyperlinks in Squarespace. This skill will definitely elevate how you share content and direct users within your platform. Thanks for watching and happy hyperlinking!